take a look at the other stock that they've been complaining about, AMC. Let's just see if internet stock traders who don't know anything about the world are the ones who've made AMC rally. Maybe that's true. Well, let's take a look. Okay, so here we've got AMC in a pretty solid downtrend for 1, 2, 3, 4 years. So had you been short AMC for the last 4 years, maybe that was a good call. Let's just see what the overall trend is. Well, the major trend on this one was broken today. Let's take a look and see what the intermediate trend is. Now remember, we're talking about people who sold a stock that they do not own with the intention of buying it back later at a profit because their thesis is that this company is going to go broke or deserves to be punished in the market. Now, I don't trade based on that way. I trade based on the auction environment for stocks. If a price is going up and there's excitement, I buy it. If a price is going down and there's no excitement, I sell it, and that's it. None of this other stuff actually matters. But the question is, does a big hedge fund have any right at all to be short this stock? Does it make sense to be short this stock right now? Well, it might have made sense in 2017, okay? Maybe in 2017 it made sense. Does it make any sense today? All right, so in day one of I wonder how the stock market actually works, you're going to buy a book called The Technical Analysis of Stock Trends, written by a guy named Edwards and McGee. This book's almost 100 years old. And inside that book, it tells you how prices move in an auction environment. And it's good information. It actually does work because humans have not changed. Our psychology is exactly the same. All right, 2020, March and April. Look at this big dip down in prices. You see that? You got a little bit of volume of a hump right there. Is that the left shoulder of a Head and Shoulders bottom? I don't know, but it certainly looks like bottoming formation to me. Then you come into this more recent time period here, the end of 2020, and you have another dip down where prices failed to make a new low, and then you have all of this volume coming in, followed by a rally. This is called a double bottom, or a W pattern. This is a classic pattern that almost anyone with any common sense in the stock market would say, I don't want to be short this stock right now. It looks like it's putting in a bottom. And on top of that, it's only a $2 stock at this point. How much lower is it going to go? Is AMC going to file bankruptcy? Maybe, but how's your risk reward being short a stock that's probably bottoming, hoping they're going to declare bankruptcy when the government has more or less said they're going to bail everybody out? Anybody who's short this stock through this time period deserves what they're getting. This doesn't have anything to do with a bunch of internet guys saying, let's all buy this stock. This was obvious months ago that these stocks were bottoming. It was obvious months ago on all of them. Anyway, don't believe the baloney that they're putting out that a group of knuckleheads on some chat channel are swaying the whole market. That's not true. Look at this volume through here, November and December. Each one of these peaks is easily 500% the average daily trading volume of this stock. This stock was going to bottom anyway. Happy trading.